So, but yeah, he does a really cool channel. And so I'm watching it, and now I am telling you, I'm giving you a summary of the video. You should still watch the video, to be clear, but I'm gonna give you a summary of it because I have been drinking. I have to tell you that the logo is really cute. Like, you might not appreciate the logo because it's not about the logo, but like the little bee and the thing, it's like a little tree in a pot. It's really cute. To start with, your tree, you view it from the front. That seems obvious, right? Like you view something from the front, but no, it's a little tree in a pot, or even a big tree. Like you could walk around it, but no, that's not how they look at it. You pick a whatever the is that I've been watching these videos, and I feel like I can help you out and tell you what they're about.